This is a follow-up video for the luggage rack I made for the Ducati last year. I made a part 1 and a part 2 and never really made a part 3 for showing the finished product. I just got back from a 1,200-mile motorcycle trip using it. Last year I did a 2,500-mile trip with it. So for those of you that are interested, it mounts right there. I just removed the Allen head bolts that were there that hold the tail on, and I just got some hex head bolts the right length, which was kind of difficult to find because they kept bottoming out in the boss before they were tight enough on the rack. So I ended up having to get some real long ones and then just cut it to the length I needed. But so there's the back mounting point, and then on each side it mounts behind the passenger foot mounts. You can see there's the plate, and then it goes back behind here. You can kind of see, you can see the plate right there. So it mounts like that on both sides. Now I designed this to be pretty much level with the seat so that you have an extended platform and that the weight would be shared with the passenger seat, and that because those mounting points, you know, they were designed to hold that tail on there, not a luggage rack. So I'm not sure how strong they are, and I didn't want to push my limits. But the drawback to that design is that it does hide the tail light a little bit. You can definitely still see it when you're following at at the correct distance. But if you are tailgating me, you're not going to see it. However, I've had cops behind me and all sorts of other vehicles, and nobody's ever stopped me or said anything about it. So I think it only seems to be an issue in my mind. But you know, and these are just some cheap saddlebags I got off the eBay, or not eBay, Amazon. I think they were like 85 bucks. Just some general universal fit. But yeah, it works great. I think, you know, plenty of spots for my rock straps to tie everything down. So on this trip, I had this bag on there, which is a couple tarps and a sleeping bag and a tent. Let me throw it up there. And then I also had my backpack strapped on top of it, you know, like that. And then the backpack was on top of it too. And, you know, it really makes a big difference when touring on a sport bike. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick follow-up. You know, and in the future, I may like cut it, you know, right here and bring it up just to make the tail light a little bit more visible. But I don't know, it doesn't seem to be a problem for anybody except for in my mind. And the first trip, I didn't have these standoffs, so the bags were kind of, those standoffs there, the bags were kind of resting on the blinkers, so I put those standoffs on there for this trip, and seems to do the trick. So, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.